Cyprian of Carthage, De Catholicae Ecclesiae Unitate, Episode 2. Neque enim persecutio sola metuenda est, et ea quae sub ruendis ac deiciendis Dei servis aperta impugnatione grassantur. In the previous portion, Cyprian was talking about how we are to be as wise as serpents and as innocent as doves. For, he says, it is not persecution alone, persecutio sola, that must be feared. The subject here is persecutio, feminine singular nominative, modified by sola in the same gender number and case. The predicate of persecutio is metuenda, which is a gerundive, that is, a passive participle, future passive participle, and it is feminine singular nominative from the third conjugation verb metuera. This is called a passive periphrastic, the gerundive with the form of esse, and it connotes necessity or obligation. For it is not persecution alone that must be feared. It is also at those things, ea. Those things also must be feared, and then we have this quae clause, this relative clause, which explains what ea is. Those things, quae, which, grassantur. Grassantur is a deponent verb, its first conjugation, grassari. So this is third person plural, and it's present, indicative, and passive, but deponent. And those things which, what do? They advance, or they go out against, they assault the servis Dei, the servants of God. Notice how the verb grassantur here patterns with the dative, so servis is masculine, plural, and dative. They assault the servants of God, Dei. What kind of servants of God are they? They are the ones that have been overturned already, sub ruendis, and that are being downcast. So those things which assault the servants of God as they are being overwhelmed and downcast, assault them aperta impugnatione. Aperta impugnatione is feminine singular and ablative. This third declension noun, impugnatio, means attack. So through an open attack, or a frontal assault, you might say, for aperta impugnatione. Here on the map one can see the city of Carthage, where Cyprian served as bishop in the 3rd century AD.